Keep your arms up.
Tumbling, grappling, and takedowns. 3 things you would expect your kid to learn from any wrestling program. But the Bulldogs Wrestling Club is more than that.
I was helping my own kids with reading.
Meet Coach Pyck, a father and wrestling coach for Central High. With help from the Community Partnership of the Ozarks and some determined education students from Drury University, these wrestlers were able to tell their own unique stories through an after-practice literacy program.
I was talking to some parents about the idea of maybe trying to read some books, and that kind of went over to Drury University and talked to Dr. Edmondson about some ideas. She helped us with the idea of the students actually designing and writing their own books.
And it was a lot of work, but the children were so good and it was so rewarding. And listening to them, you are like the proud mum or dad because you moved them from A to B, and they're not those children that were scared or looked at that blank book and we're saying we can't write a book.
When I first started wrestling, I felt excited.
I felt nervous. I started when I was 8 years old.
Though being a part of wrestling, I want to make my dad proud.
Steve couldn't wait to start wrestling. He wanted to be a super wrestler.
My favorite match is when I pinned someone at Ozark High School. I was very happy, and so was my mom and coach.
This wouldn't be possible without Community Partnership of the Ozarks. They are a big help with our program, and for after-school programs like this for students.
Those 12 children in years to come will always remember the Irish teacher who helped them write their little book, which I think is quite nice.
As a parent, I'm excited to be able to read that book, 20 years later. I'm just excited to see, what next year holds and what other projects we could think of.